In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a sequence in Dripify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your sequence, how to fine-tune timing and messages, how to add or remove actions and conditions, and how to resume automations after a lead replies. First, open your campaign. Log into Dripify, go to the Campaigns tab, and open the campaign that contains the sequence you want to adjust. Then head into the Sequence section for that specific campaign. This is your control center, where you'll see each step laid out in order. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct campaign and that its status matches your intent, whether it's active or in draft. Next, edit timing, texts, or intervals. If you need to slow down or speed up your outreach, adjust the delays between steps to match your strategy. Shorter delays can increase momentum, while longer delays create a more natural cadence. You can also edit the text content of connection requests, messages, in-mails, or email steps. Keep your copy concise, personal, and compliant with platform guidelines. If your template uses variables, make sure those placeholders are still correct after your edits. For more advanced editing, you can add or remove actions. Dripify supports actions like view profile, like, follow, message, or endorse, and you can place them at the beginning or between existing steps to warm up leads or diversify touchpoints. If you need to remove the end of sequence step to keep your flow going, hover over it, click the trash or bin icon, and then insert a new action or a condition that continues the journey. After any change, click Save so your updates are applied. Unsaved edits won't take effect. You can also add conditions to tailor the flow based on engagement or data. Insert logic such as if connected, if viewed message, or if email is available to branch your sequence intelligently. Add action in the sequence view to combine conditions with the next action so each lead receives the most relevant follow-up. Finally, resume sequences for leads who replied. If a conversation paused the automation, you can go to that lead's profile in Dripify and resume the sequence for that individual. This keeps your follow-ups consistent without disrupting the personal exchange you've already started. That's it. Open your campaign, adjust timing and texts, add or remove actions, insert smart conditions, and resume where needed. Save your changes, and you're ready to run a cleaner, more effective sequence in Dripify.